Hi trader, welcome to the Shark Trader Magic Top and Bottom Forecast Analysis. This is Ali Deep. In this video I'll be showing you how we forecasted every top and bottom since the big move started here today. We hope you enjoy watching this video. In this video you will witness the success in predicting the market moves from entry to exit. Today you will be discovering there is nothing impossible. The word itself says I am possible. This is not a magic and you can do it too if you have the right approach, knowledge and skills. Let the work talk about itself. Let's start. So let's start with USD/JPY, and this is the price now. This is the live chart of the price. Let's now start showing you this move here from the top to the bottom, guys. Just one sec, let's get the drawing tools and start with it. So let's start with this move. Let's see, did you get it or not? So this post was posted on TradingView. Where is that? Since February 25. So let's see if we got that move to the downside. See, we did forecast that from the top. We said if we break here, the sale will be cancelled. So let's see if we got that. So you see, guys, we did get this from top to bottom exactly. This was the top and this was our bottom. You see, it's already hit the bottom, reversed back up, and we did even mention this will come back here and then we will go back here. But let's not worry about this now. Okay, let's just focus on this. We got that. We will be going detail for every move in this pair. So let's go back to the chart and you see we got that move exactly to the bottom. Okay, let's now move to this move. Let's move. You saw on the big structure we said buy from here, and in the previous outlook we said if we was here we said we will drop and we will go up. Let's see if we got that move exactly. So let's clear everything and here we go. Guys, do you see that? We said it will drop and go up. Okay, and this is the chart. We did drop and went up. And so let's now start with this down move here. With this down move, and we'll see if we got it. Let's clear. And exactly, guys, again this was the top and we said sell it. Okay, and we are now somewhere here. Let's see if we got that. So you see we got it from the top and we are now here. Okay, guys, so you will also see this move. We did say this is going up and then we are continuing down. Let's move on to this video. Okay, guys, you see? So we getting every piece by piece on this move. I'm getting for you guys pieces from previous outlook I did already done on YouTube. You can check my YouTube channel here, the Shark Trader, and you can watch the outlook on yourself. Okay, and you see how we forecast all these moves. So we said this is going up here and we are dropping, and we are doing this now. Okay, we are going up and we are dropping. So next, which one did we do? We just did this one. So this is everything for USD yen, Japanese yen. I hope you enjoyed this one, this pair. We got every pips, every top and bottom, entry and exit in this pair. We got the down move, up move, and the down move again. Okay, guys. and you can check this on our YouTube channel. Check all outlook, you will compare it yourself. So guys, by the way, this is our website. It's thecharttrader.com, and if you go to the chart analysis page, okay, let's just remove this, and you just come here to this page here, and you scroll down. I think this here, it's everything you need to know if you are a trader. Okay, like you can stick to this page and have all the knowledge you need or the next move. So what's this? This is the real chart movement. This is real chart movement, guys. Okay, it's moving right now as well. So, and this here my prediction. This is New Zealand long term gold, New Zealand setup, and this is the setup. Okay, we got that. Let's see if this playing out. We did forecast this before it even happened, and this is the chart, guys. Okay, we went up and we are coming down exactly as we said. Okay, guys. Other thing on this page is you got technical analysis prediction, okay, which is sell, buy, whatever. You can move between 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, or month, or you can go a small time frame. We advise if you wanna check out on this and use this as, you cannot use a strategy, but let's say you wanna trade with this one, okay, go 1 hour or 4 hours. Don't go less than that because you don't have the correct point on it. Okay, and this is the sentiment, guys. On this page as well, you will learn. This is actually, it's not only one broker, guys. This is from the market maker itself, okay? How many people are buying or selling. So this Aussie, for example, now it's 72 people are buying. This is from ECN. This is, you just read this one and you will see what's this about, okay? So this is the journal for every trader out there. Okay, who's buying, who's selling. So let's say this one as well, guys. This is very, very helpful. This is historical sentiment as well. So you can check any pair in here. And this is likely. This is from 6 hours. This is 1 day, 5 days, okay? If the direction is down or up, this will help you as well. Your stuff, guys, is not everything, but they are very helpful. And you got that chart, okay? I think you know what Scott chart is. If you don't know, just come here and read it, because I'm trying to make this video very short. And this always we put here our previous outlook, so you can compare what we said in the previous week and what's happening and what we're expecting. Okay, guys? And that's it on this one. Let's move on to Euro USD. I want to show you quick on this pair. We will do a separate video for this pair as well, but let's just quickly do this so you don't say only we got that USD and correct. Okay, guys, we was here, we said this is coming down. Okay, we forecasted this move up and we forecasted this move down, forecasted this move up, we forecasted this move down. Okay, let's just quickly show you that big one. So we will show you this from here down. I think on this video, let's clear my drawing. And no, not this, sorry. Okay, this one. So we was here and we say we are coming down. You see that yellow drawing? This was on my outlook. You can go check it, or actually go check this, our edge in the Forex market. Okay, this is also compare. I did compare some, like most of the pair, most of our forecast on previous outlook with the current price, so you can even check this one. Is very helpful as well. Okay, you can have a look on this one as well, guys. So all I want to see now, we did forecast this move to the downside. Okay, let's see if we got that, and we did go that, guys. Okay, see, this is my box, we did go that move. Let's see this move. See, guys, we got in this video, if you go watch it, you will see this forecast from the bottom to the top as well. But now let's see, only we will now focus on the last move, guys, which is this move from top to bottom, exactly to this bottom. Okay, and here we go. Sorry, this one. And let's clear everything from the chart, and you see, okay, this here drawing, it was from the outlook itself. Okay, you go there and check out yourself. So for now, all I wanted to see is this move we said is coming down. See this one, and to the bottom of my box. And let's go to the chart. And guys, we did got it. See that? This is the move. This was the move, and we did get it. Okay, if you check our last week outlook, you will see, the one before, you will see this move forecasted, and last week you will see this move forecasted to the long side. And as well, this one was forecasted. We said this is your entry, strike to 5 buy set up, because this can be a possibility for big up to the move to the upside. Okay, guys. So there is potential now because we reversed on my box. This going to the upside. Anyway, this is not forecasting. I'll do the forecasting in outlook, in my weekly outlook. So now I'm showing you that moves we did in this. So guys, I want you to know something. You can do it too. You can do that forecast as well if you have the right approach and the required knowledge. If this was helpful and you want to learn same approach to the market, then the Chart Trader team invite you to join our community. Okay, guys. And in our fast track course, we have designed and created and well picked every information in there, a course for you. We call it the Chart Trader Fast Track course, to put you on the right track and to help you take your trading skills to the next level. And as well, guys, we're expecting by completing our course, you will be successful and profitable trader. Not only this, but you will be joining a community full of successful trader for life. Fine. And guys, I want you to remember this sentence. So remember, successful people always surround themselves with successful people. If you want to be successful, you need to have around you a community of successful people to help you all the way, along the way up. So our course, not a few recorded videos to sell it to you, and then we'll say bye-bye when you take it and pay your money. We don't do that. Our course is a free education for life, as long as you decide to stay in our community. And guys, we please you to allow us help you shaping your future. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and share and subscribe, and also check our course page where we go offer for you in there, okay, where you will be learning. And payment is a one-time payment of 1,000. This is for first 30 people to join us. You will learn how to buy and sell every top and bottom, guys. And if you see this one example of what we teach in our course in here, and I hope this is helpful for you guys as well to see what you will be getting in there. Okay, we gave you now the general circle of the market moving to the direction, guys. Okay, we try to explain as much as we can here for you guys, and we showed you these pieces here. It's brought from the chart. I did cut it from the chart and put it here, so to show you my forecast, it's exactly how what I'm teaching you, it's happening in the market. I'm not bringing it from my head. We study the chart and we got all information from there. The market itself gave us what we need to have that knowledge and the experience and the skills we need. So if you find this helpful, I reckon you should not miss out on this opportunity. We will be probably closing this course very soon once we got a number of traders, so we can teach them, put them in our community. This course is being made because we want to grow our community only, guys, because you want to make successful people around us, more successful people, more ID, more professional trader, so we can do much better. And in this case, you will be doing good as well, and you will do much better than what you're doing right now. Okay, because you will have our idea, our knowledge, our forecast day by day. We do daily video in there. Okay, I do daily webinar in my side. You will be added to our Slack group. You will be have every trade set up we have. You will be having everything we have, guys. Okay, you will know the trade we enter, when we enter, where we're gonna exit, where is everything. So guys, this is where our Slack is look like. Okay, we got pairs all pairs in there. I label every single piece and I put in there every day. Okay, you get a course, you get everything in there. So if you find this is helpful, guys, let's be successful together. Let's create that future together. Let's show the world Forex can be profitable if you have the right approach and knowledge to the market. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be posting some other videos to show you how we did get every top and bottom in other pairs as well. So I just done this little one today to just show you an example of what we can do, how we can help you shape your future, and we'll do more. But let's keep this short and end it here. Thanks for watching again, guys, and welcome to the Sharp Trader community. See ya next one. Bye.